Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Krissy. So today I wanted to share with you guys how I prep my hair for a protective style. And as per usual, I start my wash day with my protein treatment, and I mix that with coconut oil, and I'm just gonna apply that throughout my hair. Once I am finished applying that, I'm going to apply my heated cap, and I'm going to sit on that for 30 minutes. Once that's all done, I'm going to wash out the protein treatment. Once that's all done, I'm going to go in with my shampoo, and I'm gonna lather my hair twice. And I am big on giving myself a full-on massage during this process. So as you can see, I'm really focusing on just kind of rubbing my scalp, making sure that I'm really cleansing it and getting rid of all buildup. So I have a t-shirt dried right after I finish washing out my hair, and this is me preparing my deep condition mix. And I do use quite a bunch of oils. So I use coconut oil, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, hemp oil, and then I go ahead with my deep conditioner.
Brian Little. Once I have gone section by section, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair to sit under my steamer. So I am sitting on my steamer, and I'll do this for 30 minutes as well, and then I'll wash that out, and then I will be t-shirt drying for, I think I did 2 hours, and then I went into detangle. So I'm gonna grab my leave-in treatment, and I'm gonna be very heavy-handed with this, and I'm gonna work that into my hair so that I can then go ahead and detangle section by section. And I do 4 sections. I've thought about doing more than 4, but this is just quicker for me, just because I really don't like detangling my hair.
And for some extraness, I gave myself a mini trim. This is not a tutorial. I am not a licensed cosmetologist. This is just something that I've picked up, a little method that I use just to get rid of some straggly, dead, nasty looking ends. Please do not use this as a tutorial for how to trim your hair at home. And just like that, I've finished my trim and I'm gonna go ahead and start my protective style. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.